Okay. Now next we'll go for. Now we have seen what phenols. Okay. Phenols. Now we'll see the some carboxylic acids. Some carboxylic acids. See here. Say the first one. I'm taking carboxylic acid is. Now this time I'm taking the carboxylic acid. Say that it is aliphatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acids means the general formula is of aliphatic carboxylic acids is RCOOH, where COH group is what? Carboxylic acid functional group, where R is aliphatic straight chain, okay, or cyclic chain, but do not have any conjugated system. So I'll open this chain. Okay, this is COH group. So by breaking of this OH bond, the carboxylic acids releases a proton. If this proton is released faster, stronger acid. If this proton is released slower, weaker acid. So always in aliphatic, the minus I effect is seen. Okay, in aliphatic, minus effect is seen because aliphatic compound means saturated. They are saturated. Understand? If it is aromatic, then we have to go for the minus Me effect. Okay. So see here now. The first example I'm taking. Chudandi ikkada andaru. Minus I effect increases the acidic nature because it decreases the carbon electron density in a carbon chain. So see here, all of you. Note one more point. All the alkyl groups. What is alkyl group beta? All the alkyl groups. Alkyl groups are what? Electron adding plus IE effect. So plus IE groups always decreases the acidic nature. Whether it is alcohol, phenol or carboxylic acid. So see here. First I'll take this is HCOOH. What is this acid? This acid contains only one carbon. So what is this one? Methanoic acid, formic acid. And next, second one here, CH3. Okay, CH3, COOH. And next, see here, third one, I'm taking CH3, CH2. Next it is COOH. Okay, COOH. Okay, now what are the groups in these molecules beta? 1, 2, 3. To the COH group. What are the groups attached? Hydrogen, methyl is alkyl, and C2H5. This group also what? Alkyl. C2H5. See, these groups are what? Plus I affecting group. These are plus I affecting group, and these increases the electron density on carbon chain, or say they increase the electron density. They increase the electron density on this carboxylic carbon, because these are plus Me plus I groups. They donate electron to this carbon. So therefore, as the electrons are coming from back side, so this oxygen gets electron rich. Release of proton will become slower. So always these decreases acidic nature. So simple here, as number of carbons in the alkyl group increases, electron donation capacity increases. So plus I effect increases. So what is the order of here? For this plus I effect, hydrogen is less than the methyl. Methyl is less than the ethyl. Okay. So simple, hydrogen can donate only 1 electron. ఎందుకంటే hydrogen atomic number 1. దాని యొక్క షెల్ లో ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఉంది, ఆ ఉన్న ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేట్ చేస్తుంది. అదే మిథైల్ తీసుకుంటే కార్బన్ అండ్ 3 హైడ్రోజన్స్, ఇట్ కెన్ డొనేట్ 6 plus 3 9 electrons. It can donate 9 electrons. It can donate. Whereas if you compare the ethyl group with others, here methyl, the carbon has 2 carbons has 6 plus 6 12 electrons, and the hydrogen is there. So means total 17 electrons. So here, as a carbon chain, number of carbons, a branching increases, plus I effect increases. So the electron donation capacity or plus I effect of ethyl is more. So the ethyl, the bigger alkyl group, always donates more electron to the carboxylic carbon. Therefore, on this carbon, electron density increases. So therefore, this third acid is a weak acid because releases proton slowly. Okay. Whereas the first one, formic acid, having very small group, hydrogen is very small group, it can donate electron, but only one electron. The electron donating capacity of hydrogen is less. So therefore, compared to these two, this is stronger acid which donates the proton fast. Donates the proton fast. So here the order of acid says, the first one is stronger, next second one, the next is third one. Okay. Then you know the dissociation constant and pK values order also. Okay. You need not to mug up the values. You have to understand the concept. Okay. And next, this time I have taken the plus I effect. We'll go for the minus I affecting groups. Now next we'll go for the minus I affecting groups. Okay. So see here. Now next is, చూడండి ఇక్కడ CH3 COOH, acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Next, I'm taking here CH2 COOH, means one of the hydrogen of this methyl group is replaced by the chlorine. Okay. And next, third molecule I'm taking here. Okay. One of the hydrogen of this alkyl group, methyl group, is replaced by fluorine. Okay. And next, take here one more example. CH. Okay. This time I'm replacing COOH. And the two hydrogens of this methyl carbon are replaced by two chlorines. Okay. Then one more example. చూడండి ఇక్కడ అందరూ. One more example. Fifth one. Here. This time I'm replacing. Okay. This time I'm replacing the two hydrogens of methyl with two fluorines. And next, sixth molecule, all the hydrogens of this methyl replacing with the three chlorines. So see, this is trichloro. It is trichloroacetic acid. And next, seventh one. Okay. This time all the hydrogens of this methyl carbon are replaced by fluorine. Okay. So see here, the first is acetic acid, where this methyl group shows plus I effect. Therefore, it must be weaker acid, definitely. Then this is fluorine and all, chlorine and fluorine is there. Remember here, the methyl is plus I effect, where fluorine and fluorine are what? These are minus I groups. Okay. Where చూడండి ఇక్కడ chlorine and fluorine are there. These are electronegative atoms. These two are what? Minus I affecting a group. And obviously, which is more electronegative beta? In between the fluorine and chlorine, which is more electronegative? Chepali, fluorine. Okay. So definitely what happens? The electron withdrawing nature of fluorine is more than the chlorine. So ikkada emavuthundi, when you compare this second and third acid, the third will be stronger acid than second acid. Yes or not? The fluoroacetic acid is stronger than fluoroacetic acid because the electronegativity of fluorine is more than the chlorine. So the minus effect of fluorine is more than chlorine. Is that clear? And next, when you compare the third and fourth acid, see here, once again same. The minus effect of fluorine is more, chlorine is less. But here there are two groups. Remember, two chlorine atoms are there. So as two chlorine groups are there, so the two chlorine group is more than the one fluorine group. Understand? So as the number of chlorines are increased, the minus effect is more for this, more chlorines. So on this, now we have to arrange the acids. Understand? అర్థమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్ రాయాలి మనము. సో సింపుల్ గా ఫస్ట్ నాకు చెప్పండి అమాంగ్ దెమ్ విచ్ ఈజ్ వీక్ యాసిడ్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం రాసే ఆర్డర్ వచ్చేసి ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్. yes, very good. Okay, now I'm writing what? Order of acidic nature, that is increasing order. Increasing order of substituted acetic acids. Okay, so simple. What is that? As everyone knows, as minus I effect increases, acidic nature increases. So weakest acid is 1. The next stronger acid is what? This second one. Okay, because of chlorine. Then third is, okay, this third stronger than second because of fluorine. And next after that here than the fluorine, one fluorine, two chlorines are more effective. Two chlorines are more effective. Therefore, fourth one is stronger. Then you come to this fifth one. The fifth one has what? Two fluorines. The fourth one has two chlorines. So obviously, the effect of two more negative groups is more than the less negative groups. Therefore, the fifth is stronger than fourth. And next, see here, the sixth is having three chlorines. So the effect of three chlorines is more than two fluorines. So obviously, sixth is more. Then here, this is what? All the three hydrogens are replaced by the fluorine. So obviously, the seventh is the strongest acid. And not only that, in whole organic chemistry, this is the strongest carboxylic acid. Understand? The substituted carboxylic acid is what? The trifluoroacetic acid is the strongest acid. Ardhamautunda? So it is the order of substituted carboxylic acids. And next, if we go for one more type, see here, this time if you take other groups like NO2, remember NO2 group is one group, okay, is stronger than cyanide. Then after cyanides, you have halogens. Okay, halogens. So just keep it in mind. So suppose to the, see here, CH3COOH. Now replace one of the hydrogen with nitro. Okay, this is stronger acid. Okay, then next, if you replace the, okay, once again minus I effect only because it is saturated, And next, if it is chlorine means halogen, CH2COOH. Okay, and next, the third I'm writing cyanide group. Okay, CH2COOH. Okay, so now next, fourth one I'm writing the simple. Okay, the simple acetic acid. So here see the order is, the first one is stronger, next third one, and next second one, and next is fourth one. Because these 1, 2, 3 have minus I affecting groups. So nitro is stronger than cyanide. Then sun is stronger than chlorine. Okay, no mesomeric effect, only inductive effect here. Okay, where this acetic acid, fourth one, do not have any minus I effect or anything. This methyl group is what? Plus I effect. It is a plus I affecting group. And if we go for benzoic acids, okay, here also same. Benzoic acid means aromatic carboxylic acids. So initially you have seen the aliphatic, now aromatic carboxylic acids. Benzene, So remember the order OPM. The effect is more on the ortho. See, this is COOH, benzoic acid, and here OH group is there. From here H plus is released. కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలమ్మా ఆర్గానిక్ బేసిక్స్ రావాలి ఈ జిఓసి రాకపోతే ఏమీ రాదు దిస్ ఇస్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఓకే generally students will be poor in GOC and they expect marks in organic okay adi magic ikkada so if you work on this all structures all this concept then you will become a stronger in organic chemistry so see here now here it is there then I'll take one more benzoic acid inkoti teeskuntunnanu now all are identical benzoic acid all are identical benzoic acids say 1 2 3 4 okay here also see the first one without any substitution now on this ortho okay in all this I'm putting the group at ortho annitlo ortho పెడుతున్నాను సరేనా అన్నిట్లో ortho పెడుతున్నాను చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏం గ్రూప్ పెడుతున్నాను in second one I'm putting nitro group so what is the effect of this nitro group it is minus Me it is minus Me and next here I'm putting methyl group and this methyl group the methyl group remember methyl group do not show mesomeric effect okay methyl group do not show mesomeric effect it shows here hyperconjugation remember because this methyl carbon contain alpha hydrogens so methyl shows a hyperconjugation okay and next here I'm putting the cyanide so now here also same the cyanide is a minus Me effect so what will be order of acids so here the second one due to this NO2 group it is stronger acid the next fourth one due to cyanide minus Me effect it is a stronger and NO2 is dominating over the cyanide so fourth is stronger and next here see this methyl group adds electron it adds sigma bond electrons into the carbon chain due to hyperconjugation therefore acidic strength is less this is weaker acid so here this next is what first unsubstituted acid the next last one is what this orthomethyl benzoic acid okay orthomethyl benzoic acid due to hyperconjugation effect it adds electron where this cyanide and nitro groups takes electron from the carbon chain okay carbon chain then you can arrange them in pKa and Ka value orders also concept also and next we'll go for ortho para meta substituted compounds benzene aromatic to this you are attaching now COH group all are benzoic acids okay okay in first one I'm putting here nitro group at ortho it is ortho nitro benzoic acid ortho and here it is para isomer and next it is meta nitro benzoic acid so here simple order the ortho isomer is stronger acidic than the para than the meta because as a group is very close to the substituted carbon, okay, or COH group, so readily takes electron from the carbon chain. Therefore, this carboxylic acid takes electron. Carboxylic acid takes electron from the hydrogen. So here also same NO2 group shows minus effect, minus Me group effect, but the group is what? The group is what? It is away from the COH group, and the effect is less on the meta. So orthonitrobenzoic acid is stronger than para. Then para is stronger than the meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Is that clear? Okay. So you can student amma. Some people get confusion between the halogens. When you go to the ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు aliphatic అంటే carboxylic acetic acid, formic acid check చేసావో, they are called aliphatic. So in aliphatic acids the halogens have a minus effect. కానీ aromatic acids lo halogen shows the plus Me effect. Therefore their acidic nature is less than you think, because the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, though they are electronegative, they act as what? Plus Me. And of course, fluorine do not show any mesomeric effect due to absence of vacant d orbitals in its outermost shell and high electronegativity. Okay, practice it all. Tomorrow we'll discuss the amines.